Do you know what happens when pure driving passion meets relentless engineering? The 2027 Toyota GR86 is born. This machine returns with focused enhancements designed to completely deepen the connection between you, the car, and the open road. Built for true enthusiasts and shaped directly by motorsports, it continues to deliver lightweight rear-wheel drive thrills. However, perfection is difficult to achieve. Road and wind noise can easily pummel your ears during long drives, which is a noticeable drawback for daily commuting. Still, the GAZOO Racing team sharply refined almost every single detail for us, right here and right now. Let us talk performance, because that is where this vehicle truly shines. Under the aluminum hood sits a naturally aspirated 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder boxer engine. The specifications are clear. Power is 228 horsepower at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Torque is 184 pound-feet at 3,700 revolutions per minute. You get a choice of a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 6.1 seconds with the manual. The automatic takes 6.6 seconds, which is slightly disappointing if you crave maximum acceleration. Top speed reaches exactly 140 miles per hour on the track. There is another negative aspect to this engine. At higher revolutions, the engine sounds quite rough, almost like it has a stomachache. Moving on to fuel economy, the numbers are decent but not exceptional. The EPA estimates the manual transmission delivers 20 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. The automatic improves slightly to 21 city and 31 highway. What about towing capacity? Do not even think about it. The maximum towing capacity is absolutely 0 pounds. This sports car is built exclusively for carving tight corners on very smooth, paved canyon roads. Now let us review the exact physical dimensions. Length is 167.9 inches. Width is 69.9 inches. Height is 51.6 inches. The wheelbase spans 101.4 inches. The base manual model weighs just 2,811 pounds. Minimum ground clearance is 5.1 inches. That low ground clearance means you must be incredibly careful navigating steep driveways and large speed bumps to avoid scraping the front bumper. Visually, the sculpted body lines look amazing, especially with the brand new 2027 Thunder exterior color. This new solid gray shade beautifully shifts appearance depending on the surrounding light, creating a truly authentic sports car attitude every day. Step inside and you will find a low-slung, driver-focused cockpit featuring a crisp digital instrument panel. For 2027, Toyota added a stunning Cockpit Red interior option for premium models, blending black ultra suede with vibrant red leather accents. There's also a push-button start and an HVAC system with elegant LED dials. However, the interior is not flawless. The rear seats are incredibly cramped and virtually useless for adult passengers. On the technology front, the infotainment system is straightforward, but the audio quality from the standard speakers lacks deep bass and premium clarity during your highway driving sessions. How does the GR86 keep you secure? All models come standard with an active safety suite. You get pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure alert. For 2027, the stereo camera recognition range was nearly doubled to better detect preceding vehicles. A new monocular camera now helps spot objects at intersections. The downside? Some of these safety alerts can feel intrusive and overly sensitive when you are simply trying to enjoy spirited driving. Thankfully, engaging track mode or turning off vehicle stability control provides the pure, uninterrupted driving freedom you truly desire on those winding country back roads. Now, we must discuss the financial side. What is the exact pricing? While official 2027 retail prices will be fully shared later this year, we anticipate the starting cost to be right around $32,695 for the base model, climbing up to $35,295 for the premium grade. This remains an incredibly affordable entry into authentic sports car ownership. Buying one also includes a complimentary 1-year membership to the National Auto Sport Association. The bad part about the pricing? Dealer markups could easily inflate these numbers once the vehicles arrive at dealerships sometime during the summer of 2026 season. Toyota backs the GR86 with a basic 36-month or 36,000-mile warranty, alongside a 60-month powertrain warranty. Engineers also refined the throttle calibration for a smoother, linear response, while widening the shifter interlock chamfer by 0.02 inches to improve your 5th to 4th downshift feel. It is clearly a beautifully flawed, brilliantly balanced machine designed purely for the driver. Will you be adding this sharp sports car to your garage next summer? Let me know. Please comment your thoughts below because I want to read your opinions about this vehicle right now. Thank you for watching today, everyone.